Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix snapping tool ruler missing on Windows 11 and 10 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this problem, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on your Windows key, then search here snapping tool. Right click here app settings. Click on repair. Then click on reset. After doing this, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S to apply. Then type here sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Then check your problem solved or not. If not, again press on Windows key. Search your snapping tool. Right click on snapping tool, click on app settings. Here you will scroll down, then click on uninstall. After uninstall, open your Microsoft Store, then reinstall snapping tool. That's it guys. So in this video, fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.